Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? She just licked him. Who is that? Huh? Who is that? What's that, Blue? Yeah?
Oh, she can't stand it. She has to come say hi to Grandma. Clean Grandma's nostrils. Go see the baby.
Goose. Hi. Oh, hi.
I think she's rather unimpressed at the moment. She's just excited to see you guys.
Say what, baby? What, baby?
Yeah.
Goose. Goose. Hi. I miss you too, Round. I know. Yeah, I know.
But what about me? I know the baby's great, but what about me?
Forget about the baby. Hi, Lucy. Hi.
What are you looking at me for? I didn't do it. What you looking at me?
Did Lincoln get to smell the baby?
No.
Or drool on him?
I'll pick him up in a minute. Hi. I know. I know.
That baby's in my spot.
I know. There's not a campfire. Oh.
The baby gets stepped on.
Better buy that one.
Yeah, really?
What do you think, Ghost? Okay, we've done that already. 3 times. You're good.